Jake Johnston bike check with Cam Tillman's bike. Okay, we got the ODI red grips. We got the nice tire right there. And we got another tire that's an Odyssey. Okay, we got this. I don't know what that seat is, but I'll say it's Haro. We got the premium cranks. She's mint. We got the nice Haro pedals. Yeah, pedals. Okay, we got flipping the bike around. Okay, we got the profile. We got the Profile Z coaster, free coaster. We got the nice coaster thingy. We got this nice hub. It's black. Yeah, we got back to the bars. Okay, we got Haro lineage bars that are smoke chrome black. We got this nice gnarly frame which is smoke gray chrome. It is Haro. This is not a stock bike because it has premium cranks. And yeah, we out here. Oh yeah, I already did that. And then we got the stem here. This is a
Haro.
No, it's not Haro.
Yes, that is.
It's a Rishishi. It's a Rishishi. And yeah, that's Jacob Johnson's bike check.
What a fucking fuck, not dude.
You had that. You had that.
He's scaring me. He's coming. Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes.
Oh god, he's calling.
Did I make it?
Yeah, you made it, man. You did it.
Let's go, boys.
I'll show you an easier way. Watch.
Hey,
I'll show you.
Really? It's fucking working?
nice, watch.